Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make mixed juice in a juicer. First, select a variety of fresh fruits and vegetables. Thoroughly wash all your produce under cool, running water to remove any dirt or pesticides. Next, prepare your ingredients by cutting larger items into smaller, manageable pieces that easily fit into your juicer's feeding chute. Remember to peel citrus fruits and remove any hard seeds or pits for a smoother juice. Now, let's get juicing. First, ensure your juicer is properly assembled according to its instructions. Position a clean pitcher or glass directly beneath the juice spout to collect your fresh beverage. Turn on the juicer and begin feeding your prepared fruits and vegetables into the chute, one piece at a time. It's a good practice to alternate between softer and harder ingredients for the most efficient juicing and best yield. Once all your ingredients are juiced, give the mixture a good stir to ensure all the delicious flavors are well combined. Now, it's time for the best part, taste testing. Adjust the sweetness or tartness to your liking, perhaps add a squeeze of lime or a touch of natural sweetener. For a lighter consistency, you can add a splash of water or a few ice cubes. Enjoy your custom-made, nutritious drink. Proper cleaning is crucial for maintaining your juicer. Immediately after use, disassemble all removable parts. Rinse them thoroughly under warm running water to prevent pulp from drying and sticking. Pay special attention to the mesh filter, using a small brush to remove all fibers for optimal future performance. Any leftover juice can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, ensuring freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.